My name is Brandon Fickett. I'm a videographer. I have a long-time passion for anything that rolls or goes and riding my hog. There's nothing better than being on my bike, just to ride out on the open road, and it's just this great feeling of freedom. I guess one of the biggest side benefits to riding is always being able to impress the ladies. They love when I ride by and they look at me and I look at them, and then I keep going. On a more serious note, I am really passionate about videography and just enjoying anything with an engine in it, and I would love to be the marketing videographer for Ride Now.